Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Balance 2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. We can change the language on this watch in two ways. The first way is to do it directly on the watch, and the other way is to do it through the phone application if your watch is paired with a phone. I'm gonna show you the both ways, but first I'm gonna show you the one that involves the watch. So grab your watch, wake up the screen on it by pressing the lower button, and after you wake up the screen, press it again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and look for the settings icon. And once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings, of course. In settings, find the option called preferences. This one. And once you find it, tap on it to enter. And here, find the option called watch language. And once you find it, tap on it, of course. And now you should see the list of languages. You can scroll through it by swiping up and down on the screen. Find the language you would like to use on your watch. And once you find it, tap on it to select it. And it will be applied in a few seconds. Here you have it. Okay, and to do it through the phone application, you need to grab the phone that is paired with your watch. So let's bring it here. Zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen of the phone. Okay, that should be good enough. So on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the app application. In the app, you will see the home page. Now tap on device icon. You should see your Balance 2 on the device page. Now scroll down and look for the option called device settings, and once you find it, tap on it, of course. Here look for the option called device language and tap on it, and now select the language you would like to use on your watch. Tap on OK, and it should be applied in a few seconds, like this. And then you can close the app, and that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.